Good morning, students. Today we're going to talk about phonics, specifically about the short E sound. First thing you have to do is to go to page 21, Cornerstone book. There you can find some words containing the short E sound. Look at each picture and read the word bed, egg, pen, bath. As you can see, there's one word that doesn't contain the short E sound. Can you guess it? Yes. There's another sound, which is the sound repeat after me. Yeah. This word is bath. Bath. All the others, bed, egg, and pen, contain the short E sound. Now it's your turn. Which letter or letters stand for the missing sound? Look at the pictures and write the letters. Another important thing to do is watching a video about the short E sound. You have the link here. You can also watch a video which is in your Google Drive. After you watch a video, you're going to complete two worksheets. The first, it's called short E words. Here you color the words that have a short E sound in the picture orange, and color any word that doesn't have the sound E blue. Then, after you color these words, you're going to answer, what short E word did you find in the picture? Try to do this activity carefully. Next worksheet is called Fill It. You have to decide whether the word contains a short E sound or not. You have to type yes or no. For example, the word bed contains the short E sound, so you write yes. The word cat doesn't contain the short E sound, so you have to write no. You have to do the same with the other words. Sun, yet, pen, cup, den, and ben. If you have any doubt about the short E sound, you have to go back. You can watch the video again, or you can go back to page 21, Cornerstone book, Phonics. After you finish number 1, you go to number 2. You have to create a sentence using the following words: pet, the, wet, and is. After you finish this worksheet, remember you have to answer some questions about what you have learned in this lesson. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson about the short E sound. See you later.